guys, it's Frances. Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing something a little bit different today. I'm doing a voiceover. I normally don't do voiceovers just because I stumble on my words a lot and it makes it harder for me to edit, but I wanted to try something new, so let me know what you guys think. For this week's plan with me, I decided to go back into my LOL scrapbook. I'm going to try and do this thing this year where I'm going to try and use up a lot of the scrapbook paper that I have. I have tons and tons of it, and I don't want to throw it away, but I know eventually I'm going to have to because there's no way I'm going to be able to use all the scrapbook paper. But for now, I'm just going to try and use up as much as I can. So I wanted to use the LOL scrapbook pad because I just love this pad so much, and I don't think I got to use it as much as I could when I bought it. So I used my Happy Planner box punch, and I just punched out a few scrapbook pages that I really liked. Someone mentioned in one of my other videos that the boxes don't completely fit in the box, and that is because my Happy Planner doesn't have the black headers. The line in between each section is really thin, so my box is not going to fit perfectly in this box. If you have a planner that does have the headers and the black lines, it's going to fit. So if you're worried about that, it's only because my lines are super thin, and it doesn't bug me personally. Anyway, along with trying to use scrapbook paper, I want to use my stamps too. These stamps I bought months ago, and this is the first time I'm using them. So I pulled out my stamping pad, and when I went to stamp, I feel like the impression wasn't as black as I wanted it to be, but I think that's also because I haven't used that pad in such a long time. So I'm going to have to purchase a new one, I guess, but I don't think it came out bad. Yeah, and I think these LOL stamps actually did a good job at making the impression. They were really hard to take off the paper. I don't know if that's because I just hadn't used them since I bought them or what. But anyway, I'm moving on to stickers. I have a lot of loose leaf stickers that have just fallen out of my Happy Planner books, but I will do my best to link all the books that I used down in the description box. This Hello Weekend sticker that I'm about to put up, I actually got from a big Happy Planner accessory pack. So I don't know if this is in any sticker book. I don't think I've seen it. Maybe it's in a big Happy Planner sticker book. If I can find it in one of my sticker books, I'll try and link that down below. And I forgot to mention that this is from last week. I filmed this on time. I filmed this last Sunday and even did my thumbnail and everything, but since I wanted to do a voiceover, I didn't get time to do the actual voiceover part. So you guys will probably get two plan with me's this week. This plan with me, and then the plan with me for this week that we're in. So you can't tell in the video, but I was also looking for a football sticker to mark Super Bowl Sunday on Sunday, and I had a whole bunch of football stickers, and I have no idea where they're at. So I'm gonna have to go through my sticker collection and see if I can find it, but yeah, I don't have it. Anyway, that is it for this video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I really hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!